مرحبا, السلام عليكم. This is Muhammad salutes you on our channel. Learn with Youef and Muhamed. مرحبا بكم في حلقة جديدة من العربية ببساطة. Welcome in a new episode of Arabic Simply. In previous episode, we talked in general about Arabic alphabet. We also talked about Hamza, Alif, and Ba. Hamza. Hamza. Hamza is a stop sound produced by closing the vocal cords. The air stops for just a moment. Alif. Alif. Alif is pronounced like A in above when it carries a Hamza. Alif is pronounced like A in care when it doesn't carry a Hamza. Ba. The letter Ba is easy, so we won't take a long time with it. It pronounced like the English B. Let's not waste any more time and let's start right away with today's episode. If we follow the Arabic letters in order, we'll find that the first letter with us today is Ta. 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 Now we can see the basic isolated form of the letter Ta. Ta is pronounced like the English letter T. So it's easy and we won't take long time with its pronunciation. But we have to focus on its form. We need to learn how to write it. So the form of the letter Ta is the same form of the letter Ba with very simple difference. Let's remember together the shape of the letter Ba. As we can see before us, Ba looks like a flat dish with a dot under it. Now, if we want to write Ta, all we have to do is raise the dot from bottom of the flat plate and put two dots on top of it. In the following examples, we'll learn about the form of Ta in different positions in the word. تفاحة. 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 كتاب. 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 بيت. 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 Where does the letter Ta come from? We mentioned before that Arabic language has 5 general exits, and that for each of these general exits, there are other private exits. So, the exit of Ta is tongue. Tip of tongue touches gums of upper 2 front teeth. Now, let's watch a 3D and 2D view of the mouth while pronouncing Ta.
At. 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 أت 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 أت
أت أت أت.
Our second letter today and the fourth in Arabic alphabet is tha. 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 We can see the basic form of the letter tha. Tha is pronounced like th in think. Tha shares the same form with both the letters ba and ta, with very simple difference. It also looks like a flat blot, but with 3 dots on top of it. In the following examples, we learn about the form of tha in different positions in the word. ثعلب ثعلب ثعلب. مثلث 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 مثلث. Where does the letter tha come from? To pronounce tha, this what will happen. Tip of tongue touches edge of upper 2 front teeth. Again, tip of tongue touches edge of upper 2 front teeth. Now it's time for us to watch a 2D and 3D display of the pronunciation of tha.
أث 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 أث
أث أث أث.
In the next episode, we'll learn all we can about the 3 brothers' letters, Jim, Ha, and Kha. At last but not least, thank you for your patience and for watching this episode. Please don't forget to like and share. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now and hit the bell button to receive all new. See you in a new episode, Allah's willing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.